So I was trying to decipher why is it that these cats are so interested and so drawn to Teslas? Well, as we know, cats they have better hearing than we do, and Teslas are always on. So that could be the reason. The battery gives off noise, but also the cat's whiskers are uh, attached to tissues that have multiple nerve endings. And these nerves are sensitive to even the slightest movement of air. As a result, cats can detect nearby objects without seeing them, which obviously works pretty well in the dark. So that's the only thing I can think of which has drawn them to the car. Um, I have made sure that they have not scratched the car, but I guess that's just one of the also built-in features with cats, right? They can extract uh, their claws at any time they desire, but they do not need them where they're jumping. So I haven't seen any damage that's been caused, but one thing that I did notice is that they have bit into my charging cord because they can hear, I guess, the electricity going through there. I'm not sure if they thought it was a snake or not, but we're just doing some um, observations just to try to figure out if we can figure this out. If you do know, leave a comment below or send it to a friend of yours, this video to a friend of yours that's an expert. And so we're just going to show you the cord and what happened with it after they bit it. So this is just a closer look at the cord. As we notice, there are a few teeth marks here. No cats were injured when this occurred, but we did get a cover for our cord, a white cover, and we'll make sure we provide those links below. So why do you